manipulative, needy, antisocial, attention-seeking, difficult, demanding, frequent, stubborn, manipulative, antisocial, no function.
Strength-based language, the Cardiff Vale Recovery and Wellbeing College. Strength-based language focuses on what individuals and communities have and how they can work together, rather than on what individuals don't have or can't do. Traditionally, mental health services have adopted a medical model approach, and this tends to focus on the problems and issues the person is experiencing. It also includes focusing on what an individual is unable to do. So let's compare the different ways of working. Within the traditional model, there tends to be a medical-focused approach, whereas within the recovery model, we focus on what is needed for well-being. Also within the traditional model, they typically tend to assess, diagnose, and treat people, whereas in the recovery model, it is very individual-focused, and it works on what the person wants to work towards in terms of their recovery. Additionally, within the traditional model, typically the practitioner has control over someone's care and support, whereas within the college we focus on shared control and co-production of all our courses and the support we provide. So how do we incorporate this into the Recovery College? We are mindful of the language we use when talking with our students. When completing individual learning plans, we focus on what students can do and not on what they can't do. Peer trainers focus on their recovery stories rather than their illness stories. All courses are co-produced in recognition of the fact that we can all learn from one another. All courses are also reviewed by a peer-led consultation group. So what happens when we use a strength-based approach? People feel able to reach out for support. People can imagine a future for themselves. People start believing in themselves. Mental health workers view those they work with in a positive light. Hopelessness can turn into hopefulness. People feel in control of their lives and the support they receive, and this can reduce anxiety levels. People feel a sense of belonging and a valued member of society.